Finding a meal replacement shake that doesn't taste like chalk or leave you hungry an hour later is honestly a nightmare. I got tired of guessing, so I actually bought the top 5 most popular options on the market and drank them for breakfast and lunch to see which ones are actually worth your money. Product number 1, Essential Assortment Original Nutrition Shake. First, I grabbed the Essential Assortment Original Nutrition Shake. This one is pretty straightforward. It comes in these little 8-ounce bottles that fit easily in my gym bag. I picked up the variety pack because I get bored drinking the same flavor every day. The texture is surprisingly smooth, not gritty like some of the powder mixes I've tried. The chocolate and strawberry flavors definitely stood out to me more than the vanilla, which was a bit plain. It's not the highest protein option on this list, but for a quick grab-and-go snack that keeps the hunger pangs away for a couple of hours, it does the job well. I didn't feel bloated after drinking it, which is a huge plus. If you just need a basic, reliable shake to toss in your car without worrying about mixing powders, this is a solid starting point. Product number 2, Lean 1 Vanilla. Then I moved on to the Lean 1 Vanilla tub. Unlike the first one, you have to mix this yourself. When I opened the tub, the powder smelled pretty sweet, almost like cake batter. I mixed it with just water first to test the real flavor, and it dissolved better than I expected. No massive clumps stuck at the bottom of the shaker. The vanilla flavor is strong, so if you like things sweet, you'll love this. I noticed it felt a bit heavier in my stomach, which is actually a good thing for a meal replacement because I didn't feel the need to snack immediately after. It's a bit more work since you have to scoop and shake, but the control you get over the consistency is worth it. It's a great pick if you prefer buying in bulk and making your own mixes at home. Product number 3, Ori's Vital Nutrition. Plan Shake. After a heavy workout, I tried the Ori's Vital Nutrition Plan Shake. This one is specifically marketed as a chocolate recovery aid, and let me tell you, they nailed the flavor. It tastes genuinely like chocolate milk, not protein chocolate, if you know what I mean. I drank this right after hitting the gym, and it felt really refreshing. It doesn't have that weird chemical aftertaste that usually lingers with high-protein drinks. The texture is creamy but not too thick, so it goes down easy. It's balanced well enough that I didn't get a sugar crash later, which is a huge plus. I found it really satisfied that urge for something sweet without ruining my diet. If you're an athlete or just someone who really loves chocolate but wants to keep the sugar low, this is probably the tastiest option I tested in this batch. Product number 4, Herbalife Nutrition. Instant Healthy Meal. Switching up the flavors, I tested the Herbalife Nutrition Instant Healthy Meal in cookies and cream. This is another big tub format. When I scooped it out, I could see little specks that give it that cookie vibe. I blended this one with some almond milk to see if I could make it taste like a milkshake, and it got incredibly thick and frothy. It really does feel more like a treat than a strict diet meal. The sweetness is pretty intense, so it satisfied my sugar cravings instantly. I found that this one kept me full the longest out of the powder options, probably because of how dense it mixes up. It takes a little more effort to blend it perfectly, but the result is worth it. If you have a sweet tooth and struggle with dieting because you miss dessert, keeping this on your counter is a smart move. Product number 5, Premier Protein Shake Cafe Latte. Finally, I cracked open the Premier Protein Cafe Latte Shake. This was honestly my favorite for the mornings. It has the caffeine equivalent of a cup of coffee, so I used it to replace my morning brew entirely. The 30 grams of protein is the highest of the bunch I tried, and you can really feel that satiation. It's got a smooth coffee flavor that isn't too bitter, but it still gives you that wake-up kick. I loved not having to make coffee and breakfast separately. I just grabbed this from the fridge and walked out the door. It's super convenient and didn't give me the jitters. The fact that it has 0 added sugar is just a bonus on top of the convenience. If you are not a morning person and need high protein plus caffeine to function, this is absolutely the one you should get. Overall, all of these have their perks depending on your schedule and taste buds. I've dropped links to all 5 down in the description so you can check the current prices and see which flavor packs are in stock right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.